be useful.
Look out for the tree!
Drop down there. Let's move.
We gotta get to the garden!
Shotgun here if you need it! This is it!
Target neutralized.
Weapon three!
Kill confirmed. Need a reload. This is it. Cover my
Keep
shit.
pushing.
Need a reload. Cover me. This could be useful. Whoa! Tossing frag!
Over here! Out to the garden! More of them! In the garden! Do not get cornered here! Clear this area and book it to the RZ!
Copy!
Exit through the gate at the rear!
I'm reloading!
Keep moving! Right on target!
Reloading! Cover me!
Stay low and keep moving!
Keep moving!
Front, shotgun!
Sending frag! Reloading!
Target behind cover! Al-Khatib, you read?
Roger, Doctor. Access comms are blazing.
We're coming out hot. That extraction team ready?
Affirmative. En route to the souk. Head to the minaret.
The market's still the exfil. We stick to the plan.
Bird in the sky.
I see it.
Maybe it's crowd control.
Maybe it is. Murph, take point. Move. Use the buildings as cover. Through here. Move.
Civilians up ahead.
Guess not all of them are in the streets.
Yeah, don't blame them. That was on a nice edge. Keep moving. We've brought enough bad luck to the city tonight.
This op has been so messed up.
We've been dealt shit cards all night. All we can do is play.
This is Hemlock. Sit rep.
We've secured the intel. Moving to the exfil now. Over.
And some
Op went loud. The asset didn't make it.
all that matters is the intel bag in 1-3. Hemlock, out.
That's the tower. We're almost there, Dagger. Nicely done, Murph. This hasn't been easy.
We're at the souk.
The van is in position. Signaling my team now. Make it fast.
Hustle.
Fuck me!
Fuck! Take cover! Clear of the area! I'm hit! Need a medic! I'm down! Patch me up!
Push up into the souk.
I got you!
Appreciate it!
Rifleman eliminated.
Murphy, get moving!
No way through!
Take the left.
Shit! It's falling!
Set!
20 meters.
Down in the open! We're overrun!
Enemy using cover.
Cover me! Reloading! Need to reload! Go! 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 Target behind you! Enemy in fire! Need to reload!
This way! Through the building!
On me! Cut through this building!
Alcative. The exfil.
The losses will be felt. But we will not lose anyone else today.
The end link up. Moving to the souk. Under heavy fire.
There's the plaza. One quick south.
Plaza. Due south. Move!
Contact!
To the right! In here! Fast!
Flip in here! Helo's bugging out.
Finally, some good news.
Exfil's just ahead. Dagger actual on approach. Sit rep Al-Khatib.
En route to pickup.
Hold up there!
For rear!
Talk to me.
Rooftop!
Shit the intel. Hey, stay back! That's an order! No! Get go!
Hostile down!
Lopez!
Feels like I got hit the chest by a sledgehammer.
Yeah, well, next time, do as you're told, Marine. Al-Khatib, where the fuck is our exfil?
Closing in, brother.
Gecko, help me with Lopez. Murphy's stick on our sticks. On your feet, Marine.
Contact! Engaging!
Get Murphy! He's down! Stay low and keep moving!
Need patching up!
You're on your own after this one.
I'm dry! Need to reload!
Keep pushing!
Grenade! Get down!
Tossing frag! Tossing frag!
Weapons free!
Hostile, using cover!
Friend has been shot. Go, go!
Reloading! Reloading!
Ammo! Getting cover! Suppressing fire!
Reloading!
Keep trying! Don't let up!
Dagger, we have a problem. Hilo circling back to your position. Find cover.
We gotta move Lopez!
Oh, man.
Incoming!
Get to cover! Reloading!
Motherfuckers!
Damn close. Anyone hit?
Good.
Same here.
Listen, new. Al-Khatib, ETA, 5 mics.
alive! Need a reload!
Murphy is KIA!
Contact! Engaging!
Engaging! Need a medic! Hostile in cover. Need patching up!
Dealt with.
Heavy contact! Need support!
You're a lifesaver!
Going frag! Find cover! Grenade!
Tango in the open!
They're on the move! Engaging!
Cover me! I'm reloading! Weapons freeze!
Roger that!
Tossing frag! Sending frag!
Keep pushing! Reloading!
Dagger, we have a problem. Kilo circling back to your position. Find cover.
We gotta move Lopez!
Oh, man!
Incoming!
Move!
Get to cover!
Motherfuckers!
Damn close. Anyone hit?
I'm good.
Same here.
Listen now.
Al-Khatib, ETA?
5 mics.
Oscar Mike!
Cover fire. Reloading.
Over there!
Tossing frag!
Enemy contact!
30 meters.
Last one. I'm out.
Right on target! Keep pushing!
Target down. 11. Keep pushing.
Cover me! Reloading!
Gecko, help me move Lopez now! Assault rifle, right here. Into that building, move! Looks like a munition stash here. See if there's something you can use against that helo. Gecko, get Lopez upstairs.
Roger.
Roger that.
Could use this. Could use this. Found a launcher! No guidance, though.
Make it work, Murph. Go light that bird up. We're holed up in a two-story building back of the plaza. Looks like a munition stash here. See if there's something you can use against that helo. Gecko, get Lopez upstairs.
Roger.
Roger that.
Could use this. Found a launcher! No guidance, though.
Make it work, Murph. Go light that bird up. We're holed up in a two-story building back of the plaza.
Weapon secured.
Murphy, hit that thing! Hit it when I draw its fire.
Hit it again!
Contact! Back in the plaza. Wait until it's focused on me.
Move now!
Sniper eliminated! Cover me while I reload!
That bird is coming back! Hit it while it hovers. Solid hit! Bring it down!
Murphy's Pax is closing in, far side.
In this shed, contact!
me up! You're on your own after this.
Better take this. Got some medic supplies here. Woo! I got him!
Kilo's down!
Marines, move!
Follow us!
Covering!
Gecko, we are leaving! Hey, everybody in! Go, go, go! Looks like there's a spark after all, Barca.
You good, Lopez?
Tell me you still got that intel, Lope. Yeah, I got it. What's next, Has?
That RFID chip files. See what Pax have in store for us next.
Gecko inbound. Swap out east.
Roger.
It was imperative to find out where they were operating domestically.
What's the story?
There are details of Cairo
Was
that...
not addressing you, ma'am.
Sweep the room.
You know, if we'd known that Pax had the tech to master movements, we probably could have saved Salim.
What are you doing?
I wouldn't have taken a round to the chest, and we probably wouldn't have spent the better part of a week walking around with a severed fucking thumb.
Language.
My bad. Nasty habit. Trying to quit.
The thumb is what I needed to confirm. The RFID chip...
Gave us intel on Kincaid's cell in Brooklyn, but not how they frickin' got there.
Salim was trying to play both sides of the street. He was selling Pax everything they needed to pull off the op in Brooklyn, and selling me intel that they had the means to get in undetected.
Pax had Project Bellis.
They killed him because he knew those words.
Don't be dramatic. They were just tying up loose ends, cleaning up messes. What I want to know is, how'd he get his hands on a tech that blacks out satellite imagery?
Project Bellis. Project Bellis. Project Bellis. Nope, it's not in here.
It wouldn't be. It's not on paper.
It was on a server. In Georgia. It was a cybersecurity installation.
No, it was the whole server.
That's what my guys died for.
It hadn't even been cleared for deployment. We were set to field test it. Quietly.
And then the monster got out of the lab.
Where'd this confidence of yours come from?
I had a good teacher.
Where the fuck was this in Brooklyn?
That was the lesson.
Nothing like New York, no matter the weather.
Traffic's backed up too. They closed the roads for the NATO summit.
Thanks, Fernandez.
You really lost your boat over a few miles of gridlock?
We go through hell to warn them Pax is in town. And what does President Fernandez do? He says, okay, let's hold a NATO summit right on their doorstep.
I think he's flipping Pax off. Good for him.
These Fernandez brought insurance, huh? The Artemis. Thought she was still on patrol in the Red Sea. Fernandez sure knows how to show the flag.
And now she's our backup too. Hell yeah.
1 minute to LC.
Even Kincaid's gotta respect that kind of firepower, right?
As much as he respects anything. If only we knew what kind of attack he was planning. Well, I guess we'll have to burn that pack cell and find out.
Speaking my language.
Approaching LC, Brooklyn Heights. Perimeter's been established around target area.
Right on first base.
The Marstock team?
Yeah, fresh in from Cairo. Team Chief Carter.
Sergeant Aker. I'm the lead for the signals team. They say it, we relay it.
Where we at?
I got a briefing set up with the other team leaders. Get prepped and come join us.
We gotta get this started. We got this pack cell locked down to a small residential zone. The perimeter's tight, but they still control one side of the street, outside their HQ.
That's where Kincaid's running this attack?
No idea. We can't get our decryption platform close enough to eavesdrop on their comms. You, Sierra and Quebec, clear the houses along the street, secure the position. We bring the SIGINT platform in.
Then we wait. For how long?
Just long enough for my people to do their magic. Once we get the info on the strike, we can regroup. Whatever this Kincaid guy is cooking up, they've been spending some serious money on. You watch yourselves.
Radio check. Sergeant Ty, Quebec squad.
Sergeant Garrett, Sierra Squad checking in.
Sergeant Carter, Dagger 1-3, check.
All units, engage the enemy directly. Maintain formation and cover each other.
Packed forces on the other side of the street. Hold position. Wait for the signal.
Sierra in place. Confirm and wait for signal.
Dagger in place. Holding.
Quebec holding position.
Quebec, Dagger. Go, go, go.
We're up.
Basement's clear.
Murphy, breach!
Breaching now.
Floor's clear. Suppressive fire. Reloading. All clear.
We're ready to move up.
Glad you got my 6. Target's down, all clear.
Dagger, this is Ty. We're pinned down. Stairs are blocked. Can you breach through?
Got it. Watch that wall. Enemy through the wall! Frag out.
Right through them.
All that financing can't buy talent.
Quebec, you should be clear.
Nice work, Dagger. We'll find our way around.
This is Dagger 1-3 actual. Street is clear for signals.
Copy that, Carter. SIGINT is moving in.
Dagger, this is Sergeant Aker. SIGINT platform's moving in now. Don't you worry. Any more packs show up, we'll keep them busy. You better. Unless you got a few $1 million around to fix this kid. Okay, Dagger. System is up. Got some active signals.
Quebec and Sierra are pushing forward to the HQ. Dagger, give them cover from the roof while Aker runs decryption.
Understood.
Haz, over here.
Need patching up!
Last one. Don't waste it.
Appreciate it.
Good shooting. Cover me! I'm swapping back!
Reloading!
Very impressive, Hal. Suppressive fire! Reloading! Keep hammering! We own them!
Okay, Sierra, Quebec, clear to advance.
We're on the move.
Dagger, this is Aker. Already got some intercepts from PAX to local substations.
Shit. Kincaid could be after the power grid. Black out the city, cut off the UN and NATO. Terrorize millions of people.
NYC has a lot of eggs in one basket.
Clear right. Stairwell left.
Clear!
Stairwell clear.
Looks like Kincaid's war room. Dagger actual to command. We found something big.
Copy that, Dagger. Signal decryption is in progress.
Forward to Murphy while we investigate.
They bucked out in a hurry. No sign of Kincaid.
Maybe he was never here.
No, Kincaid's a ground commander. Likes to get his hands bloody.
Lovely guy.
Haz. The strike. It's the warship. The Artemis. Kincaid planted a mole on board. Pax is planning to use her missiles against New York. Power grid's just the first step. Then it's bridges and tunnels. Then Midtown.
Kincaid's gonna lock the doors and then blow the whole place up.
Mills, you on this?
Already scrambling NSF to the Artemis. God, we thought we covered all the bases.
This is knock to Operation Horatius. We're calling time. Any stragglers go now.
Your men are dead, Alex.
Has Carter? Fucking hell. Look at you. Talking like we're old pals. Like nothing ever happened.
Oh, fuck that. If I'd known you were alive, you know things would have been different.
Well, the whole world's gonna look different now. Just takes a little shake of perspective. Once you see the US away from the outside, you see it's not at the heart of anything. It just eats everything.
Oh, yeah? So you're gonna replace it with what? Huh? Pax doesn't stand for shit except money and power.
Jesus has. You never change. You can stand in the Empire State and talk like that with a straight face. But there's better freedoms to die for. People don't fight when they've been taught not to think. You got a team down there, right? Look them in the eye when they go, Has. It'll be more than you did for me.
Kincaid? Damn it. Where the hell is he?
Kincaid's running this strike. He'd need telemetry transmitters to help redirect the missiles.
Mills.
SIGINT is picking up chatter below you, but...
We got something else down below us, too.
Calling time, he said. Kincaid's planning to clean house. Guns up! IED! Kincaid rigged this place!
We're losing this fight!
You're gonna need this.
Provide cover fire! Reloading! We're clear!
Down, they said?
Alright, look for a way below street level.
I think I found something. Checking for booby traps.
Looks clean. Watch out for booby traps. Mills, Pax was coming up from below the street.
Shit. That Pax is holding you off from their real HQ.
Yep. Kincaid could still have forces in the neighborhood.
Hemlock here. I'll run Quebec and Sierra while you take Dagger below.
Copy that.
SIGINT is picking up activity ahead. Gotta be the transmitters.
Pax cut off access. We're gonna need a rappel. Pop smoke. We don't know what's waiting for us down there. Heads up! Welcoming committee!
Stay low and keep moving!
Dead center.
Front! MG! Orbital 3! Friendly! Cover 3!
Keep moving.
Gotta reload!
Look at all this. Real PMC home away from home.
Must have dug into old subway tunnels. Imagine the construction bill. No wonder Salim got wise. Dagger, this is Acre. Signals show those transmitters are on the move.
What? Shit. Is Kincaid shipping them out?
Yo, is that a train?
If that's how they're shipping them out. Come on! Locked! Breaching! Maybe we can board it if we can catch it. Grab the defender.
Let's go! The train's getting away!
Lopez, turret! We up?
We're up!
Rolling. Damn! Okay, we're still on their trail. Company!
We've got him! Keep us in range!
Taking out an electrical junction. There's the train! Come on, it feels like I'm just tickling it. We're not gonna stop the train like this. Dead end up ahead!
Hold on! Watch your heads! Oh, you know you know. We good?
Good.
Good.
Dismount!
Damn it, train's long gone.
Then we pursue from the air. Let's get topside, calling a little bird.
Hey, see the logo on the container? That's Salim's company!
Oh, great. Pax could ship in whatever they wanted. Into the tunnels, then anywhere in the city.
This is Dagger. We need immediate pickup.
Landing zone's hot!
It won't be when we're done. Take them out! Rifle eliminated.
Have it! Suppressive fire!
Cover me! Reloading!
Grenade! Inbound!
Additional targets incoming!
In my sights!